Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to the fourth part of this series. I'm gonna do the breakdown. So in this video, I'm actually gonna do the breakdown with you guys. And yeah, but before we start, let me just again, I changed a little bit in the track. I kind of like the flow; it's more cinematic. So yeah, everything is the same besides the build up. I'm gonna play it for you guys to listen.
Got me starting up a riot. I'm bringing that fire. Gonna go wild, so I get higher. Got me starting up a riot till we backfire. Gonna run wild, so I'm always getting higher.
Yeah, the drop is still the same. So in the build-up, I kind of added this part is full orchestral. Then it starts to get a little bit EDM. So kind of like an hybrid cinematic piece. So there's a couple gaps to create presence. This was just an idea. I might rework it later. Depending on what I feel. So I have to listen to the old track again to see when and if this, when it's complete, is gonna make sense. So yeah, let's dive into the breakdown. So here, I'm just gonna add first part maybe. So maybe here, like, okay, so FX elements. Sweeps medium up. Sweep meds. Just gonna get it. Make this one unique. Reverse it. This is actually a cool trick that you can do instead of having multiple samples in your sweeps. You can just take your own, make unique, make a copy, make unique, and just come here and place reserve. Just kind of makes sense, I guess. Yeah. No. Yeah, so this has a reason to be like that, okay? So yeah, so the breakdown, I kind of want this the part of the verse again with the build up. So I kind of want these bits. Let me just copy that over here.
Lately,
I'm just gonna copy that there.
lately, everybody's talking at me, and maybe
It's gonna be like the same, but let's add the drop, some more color to it. Kinda, you know, some news, just bring something new to the table. So I'm gonna make this one unique. I'm gonna name it right rev, and I'm just gonna again reverse it, and boom. Sim, like hi-hats.
I can't control the words up in.
This is kind of thick. Yeah, it's much easier if you do this by yourself. But I just want to see if I'm gonna add.
I can't control the words I've been saying. Filter me out, my mind is just playing fire.
Maybe some extra stuff. I don't know.
Lately, everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it off.
This line. This line as well. What? Maybe just a little fill here. I mean, I think we could use the yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Can we stop?
Let's get the so let's do the breakdown like that in the verse, and let's go to the build. So the build section, I'm actually gonna just copy that, everything like I have here as well. So it's gonna be there. So that just cut it there. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna copy that, paste there, kinda like that, yeah. Same chord progression, I think that might work. Let's leave the pads for now. Let's focus on having more rhythm. Maybe I'm gonna add this part of the snares to the intro bit over there as well. I kinda like that. And maybe the kick as well. And now what I want is these ones kind of just a little bit back.
Gonna go wild. So
I'm gonna take, yeah, so we're gonna cut down build 2, and we're just gonna I kinda know to do kinda just let's keep that there.
can we start another riot? I'm bringing that fire. Gonna go wild. Can we start another riot? I'm bringing that fire. Gonna go wild. So I get higher. Can we start another? Can we start another riot? I'm bringing that fire.
So this one, make this one unique. So let's give it a try and build 2. And I kinda really want a lot of it. So
Till we backfire. Can we start?
so each third.
Can we start another riot? Till we backfire. Can we start another riot? Till we backfire. Gonna run wild. So I'm always getting higher.
I guess that's so maybe here instead of the cut down, so we're gonna just maybe deep, maybe like deep that. So I'm gonna just drag it.
So I'm always getting higher.
Yeah, so we're getting the new tremolator out again. Now what we are going to do is yeah, so I added this on my sidechain, all right, on my sidechain bus. So I kind of just want to go sawtooth down and the left, and I'm gonna want 42.
So I'm always getting higher. So I'm always getting higher. So I'm always.
Maybe not 32, maybe 16.
So I'm always getting higher.
I guess that could work like that. Yeah. I'm just gonna save that. So yeah. Work. Let me just try to copy these part. Fuck's sakes. Okay, let me just kind of do it like that.
Till we backfire, gonna run wild. So I'm always getting higher.
So yeah, yeah, it was activated. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do here is actually just gonna take out the claps and just sit with this snap.
Lately, everybody's so
Maybe an open hi-hat.
in my heart. I can't control the
Maybe some high decay and reverb, white signal on my open hats.
lately. Everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it.
With some delay. Maybe some delay on it as well. Let's keep it ping pong. Not a lot of output.
Lately, everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it off. Shelter, I know. Got me starting up a riot. I'm bringing that fire. Gonna go wild, so I get higher. Got me starting up a riot. Till we backfire. Gonna run wild, so I'm always getting higher.
What I can do here maybe is I added some choir in my build-up, so maybe if I go here, I'm not sure if this will work, but so it's C, so it might work. You just get it more velocity on it. Yeah, it kind of works, but maybe it's kind of lit. Like 2, maybe a bit less. It's not bad, I guess. Might work. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, there has some potential, but before delving into much of the job, I kind of already know how to end the track. So kind of like with this and yeah, for now that's enough. And yeah, I believe that's the full track. Now I just need to go back and kind of redo bit by bit, but I'll do that in another video. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this. This is usually how I do my breakdowns. I just kind of copy whatever I have here and just try to change a little bit so it doesn't get a lot much repetitive. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on the next one.